Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So since I have introduced Agility Writer to the community, I've been getting a lot of positive feedback, but a lot of questions as well. So question number one, why do I think Agility Writer is one of the better options out there? Quite frankly, this is because I have tested it, and this is my performance dashboard. As you can see, every tool on here is tested via word count, SEO score, readability, plagiarism, originality, and relevance. And as it stands right now, Agility Writer is sharing first place with GymWriter, and Agility Writer has the highest SEO score out of all the AI copywriters and one of the highest originality scores. And it's actually quite factual as well. So it scored 7 out of 10 in terms of factuality. So this is the first question. Also, Agility Writer has some very unique features like the outline builder. So basically you insert the keyword here, you get the outline suggestions from the SERPs here, AI suggestions here, and then a mixture of the two here. And if you want to see that in action, you can watch a couple of my tutorials on Agility Writer. Then you have your advanced mode, obviously, which uses factual data, and you can insert LSI keywords from Surfer to optimize the input. This way you are getting like 60-70 Surfer SEO scores right off the gate. You have the bulk mode, which allows you to produce up to 50 articles at once. You have the one-click mode, which again allows you to produce highly factual data, but without the SEO optimization. And yeah, these are some of the features that I've been looking for ages in the AI tools and would not find them. Then the question, the elephant in the room, is the pricing. And I have talked to Adam, who is the owner of the Agility Writer, and he was kind to actually improve on the pricing. So the pricing stayed the same, but the amount of credits increased by 60%. And remember that our community is getting an exclusive discount of 15%. So say you wanted to take this pro plan as an example, $98. So you go to your calculator. You would first multiply 98 by 75, so minus 15%. So you're essentially paying 73 instead of 98. And then you're getting 120 credits, and you're looking at 60 cents per one article, which is highly original, SEO optimized, and factual. And the second question that I'm getting is about the credits. So 1 credit is 1 article in one-click mode, and 2 credits equals to 1 article in advanced mode. So basically 120 credits is 120 articles, 32 credits is 32 articles. So that's question number 2. Question number 3 is about the ChatGPT Turbo, the API that has been recently launched. And I'm happy to say that Agility Writer has introduced that API into its algorithm. And finally, I have been asked about the case studies. I'm actually thinking of preparing a case study myself. And if you want to see that, let me know. But here on the website, you can see quite a few examples of using Agility Writer to boost the traffic of various affiliate websites. And you can go to the Facebook group, and there are tons of people who are liking that tool already. So to sum up, you're now getting 60% more credits than before. You can apply our exclusive VAS15 discount code. So right now, everybody who visits the sites are getting 10% off, and we're getting 15% off. So I think this is very neat. If you want to double check the outputs, you can go to my dashboard and actually download the outputs and see them for yourselves. And yeah, let me know. I think this is an amazing tool. Remember that they also have a 1 USD trial, so you're not risking anything. Hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you next time.